In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance app. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will help get you started with ease. Let's dive right in and walk through this exciting mobile application together. First things first, you'll need to download and open the Binance app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android, so you can find it either in the App Store or on Google Play. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up to begin your journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading and management. Now, if you don't already have an account with Binance, you'll need to sign up. You can easily do this by providing a few details like your email address or phone number and creating a secure password. If you're already a Binance user, simply log in with your credentials. Logging in keeps your investments secure and ensures that all your activities are properly linked to your account. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your gateway to viewing the current coins and market trends. Here you can browse through various cryptocurrencies and gain insights into which ones are gaining traction and which might be a good addition to your portfolio. It's an essential feature for staying informed about the market and making educated trading decisions. Trading is straightforward too. You'll notice the buy and sell buttons prominently displayed. If you want to trade cryptocurrencies, these buttons are your go-tos. Simply tap on either buy or sell depending on whether you wish to purchase more coins or sell off and manage your current holdings. Binance has a reputation for being user-friendly, so you should find the process intuitive. Next, navigating to the wallet section is crucial for keeping tabs on your finances. Tap on Wallet to check your balances. This section gives you a detailed overview of the assets you own, providing you with real-time updates on their worth. Knowing your finances is key to any investment strategy, and this feature keeps you in the loop effortlessly. The Binance app offers more than just trading. By tapping on the More option, you'll find a host of features like staking, P2P trading options, or savings, which can potentially help you grow your investments. Feel free to explore these options if you're interested in diversifying your portfolio or if you want to try your hand at something new. Finally, don't forget about the settings accessed via the profile icon. This is where you can manage your security settings and personal preferences. It's critical to ensure that your account is secure. Features like two-factor authentication give your account an additional layer of protection. In conclusion, using the Binance app is simple and powerful, giving you the tools you need to manage your crypto assets effectively. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to mastering the app. Thanks for joining me today and happy trading.